Although rain falls freely from the sky, we put a lot of work, energy and love into getting every drop to you. We clean 800 million litres of water every day before pumping it to you through 27,000 kilometres of water pipes. Welsh Water is different from other water companies. We don't have shareholders, so we don't have to share profits with anyone else but you, our customers. Every penny goes back into keeping your bills down and looking after your water and beautiful environment. And now it's time for us to do some work in your area to make sure that your water stays clean, safe and tastes great for years to come. We want to make sure your water main is in tip-top condition. So, we're going to be working hard, upgrading, or where we need to, replacing pipes and giving everything a good once-over. Which is good news for you and good news for your community. Before we start, we'll write and let you know what's happening. And once we've begun, we'll do the job as quickly and efficiently as we can, using all the latest technology to keep disruption to an absolute minimum. We'll do our best to keep the traffic flowing, and when we're done, we'll put everything back as neatly as we found it. So here's how it could affect you. For a start, you might notice the water pressure being slightly lower while we're doing the work. And we might need to turn your water off for an hour or two. But if this happens, we'll let you know well in advance. We won't take a second longer than we need to, and we'll get your water back on as soon as we can. After we finished, your water may appear darker than normal, or even cloudy for a short time. While this doesn't look very nice, it is perfectly normal and should clear quickly. To help it along, just run your taps to help flush the water through. And don't worry if you're on a water meter. We'll give you an allowance towards the cost of your next bill. One more thing, don't put on a wash just yet. Dark coloured water can sometimes stain your laundry. It isn't permanent though, so if this happens, wait until the water is clear, then wash your clothes again as normal. So thank you. We know it can be a pain when we're improving your water network, but we'll do the job as quickly as we can. Cause as little disruption as possible, and we promise it'll be well worth it in the end. If you want to find out more, visit us at our website, dwrcymru.com. We're here to help, so do get in touch. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.